Here in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a navigation bar using CSS. So of course, this is really easy. So let me show you how you can create navigation bar. Here we have the HTML structure in which we have comment, then we have document type, and then HTML tag. Inside of it we have head tag, then title tag, and then we have here body tag. So we have another style.css file in which we will be writing all the CSS of this HTML tag, these HTML tags, which will be written inside the .html file. So we will be linking that style.css using link tag. So here I am going to create the navigation bar. So for that I will be using ULLI, that means unordered list. So inside of unordered list I will have list, then we have anchor tag, and inside the anchor tag I am going to write here all those name, for example home, blogs, contact, and everything. So I have 4, and here I am going to write home, then we have blogs, then we have contact, then we have about. Alright, so if you will see on the output screen, you will get something like this. Alright, so now we are interested to put some CSS into these tags. So first of all we have UL tag. So I'm going to write here background black. Alright, inside of it we have li tag, and I'm going to write here display inline block. Alright, so if I will be writing here both these properties, then you will get to know the difference actually. So we have background black, and then we have li tag display inline block. So if you will refresh this, you will get some difference. Alright, then we have anchor tag. So we are going to write here color white, then we have text decoration none, that means we are going to remove the underline. So if we are just copying these properties, and I am going to write here the anchor tag, and here you will be putting all those values, you will get the output something like this. So now again we are interested to give some padding to these tags, I mean anchor tag. So for that we have to write here display inline block. Then after we will be giving some padding, for example 10 pixel. Alright, actually that is much more. So for example 7 pixel. So if I am going to copy this and paste it over here, and again going to refresh this, so you can get something like this. Alright, so one more property I am going to add here is in the UL tag I am going to write here text align center. Alright, so let's copy this and paste it over here. Alright, so one more property I wanted to add here is, for example, whenever I am going to hover this, then there should be something I mean if we have li tag, and if someone is hovering over it, so let me write here li hover, then we have background you can call it, for example, red, and yeah, so you can see right now that I am just hovering over the links, and this is automatically changing its background. Alright, so these are the few properties that we have actually implemented, and because of which we could able to get the beautiful nav bar. And you can also see that there is some margin around this nav bar. So how we can remove that? We can just give some margin 0. So now that has been removed. Yeah, so you can see that there is very less CSS that we have written for creating the navigation bar. Alright, so this is actually interesting that without using much CSS we have created the navigation bar. So this is really great. So you should also practice into your system so that you could able to easily understand that how navigation bar has been created and what are the properties we need to put in order to make it beautiful. I mean CSS properties. So in the next video we will be learning some new concepts. So keep watching all those videos. If you have not watched the previous videos, you have to go through all those. So in this video we have implemented the concept of inline block. So that means if you have an inline element and if you are putting some height, width or padding, then that would be affecting only when you will have converted from inline to inline block, because inline block is just giving us the facility to give some padding into that inline element. Alright, so that's why we have used inline block. And even you have also noticed that I have also given the link tag as display inline block. Why? Because by default link tag is block element. So if this is block element, then this will be listing all the list in vertical way. So if we will be making it inline block, then this will write all those list tags in a horizontal way. Alright, that's why we have written inline block. So all these properties are self understood, because everything is utilized because of its own meaning. So if you are still not able to understand, you can ask the question. I will definitely give you the reply in the comments which you will be putting. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.